Hello dear children, we are going to create a lovely pull-up card today. Let's enjoy the activity. For this expression card making, children, we need 28 by 6 centimeter one strip, 6 by 6 centimeter, 5 to 6 squares, 5 by 5 centimeter, 5 to 6 squares, 1.5 centimeter by 13 centimeter one strip, then pencil, scale, scissors, sketch pens and Fevicol. Let's start the activity. Step 1. First we are going to stick this small paper on this paper. We are going to apply Fevicol and we are going to stick it. After sticking this, children, we are going to keep this paper over here. Children, see, 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter paper we are going to keep on this paper and then draw a line. After completing this much, then we are going to measure 1 centimeter from each side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because we are taking 5 paper. So I am taking 4 times. If you are taking more paper, you can add on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then join it. And then from which side we have marked, from that side we are going to make a fold. Once again I am telling children, from which side we have marked, from that side only I am folding. Like this I am going to fold all these 5 folds. Now children, we are going to stick these papers. So we are sticking from down side. First I am going to apply very little glue, children, we are going to apply. Okay. Because we are going to stick only the top of the paper. Okay, then first we are going to stick this paper. Okay, then we are going to stick this paper on the line which we have marked. On that particular line we are going to stick the paper. Now on each and every line I have stick these papers. Okay, now here down we are going to stick this strip. For that we are going to fold it first. Leave little distance. Don't make it so tight. Okay. Cut little bit because we don't want to join it. Okay. Then apply glue only here. Apply glue only here on this surface. We are not going to apply glue from the behind. See, here we are going to stick this here and here. Okay, wait for some time, let it dry. Then if you want, you can draw any design here. I am drawing one triangle here. If you want, you can write pull or anything on it, or pull with smile. Now on each and every paper I am going to write something. So first I will write get set go. Here we will write happy. After happy I am writing new. Then I will write year. Then I will write 2022. Now children, after that I have written pull over here. I will show you the another card which I have made. See, it is a symbol of love. Then I have written here love, you, mom and dad. Okay, so like this cards you can make, you can close it, you can open it, you can close it, you can open it. Now see this, we are going to eagerly waiting for new year. So get set go, happy new year 2022. Okay, so you can make such a type of cards for different occasion also. So our lovely cards are ready.